Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll dive into one of the most essential features of CloudFormation. Parameters allow you to make your templates flexible and customizable, enabling you to reuse them for various scenarios. Let's get started. In CloudFormation, parameters act as input values that users provide when they create or update stack. These inputs enable you to modify your templates without changing the actual code. For example, you can use parameters to specify instance sizes, security group IDs, or even VPC configurations. To start using parameters, open a CloudFormation template file. We'll use a CloudFormation template file with parameters in a text editor. Define the parameters section at the top of the file, specifying the name, type, and optional description for each parameter. Once defined the parameters, you can use them in your resources by referring their names in double curly braces or reference tag. Now that your template has parameters, you can input these values when creating or updating a stack. Use the -- parameters option with the AWS CLI command to provide the values. In this example, we have parameter key and parameter value. That goes with parameters along with our stack creation. In the same way, when we go to a CloudFormation and create a stack and use this template, you will be asked for parameters as well. When deleting the stack, parameters values are not required. You can use the delete stack command as before. Congrats! You have learned how to use parameters in AWS CloudFormation templates to make them more dynamic and customizable. With parameters, you can adapt your stacks to various scenarios, providing a more versatile solution. Happy learning!